Hi guys, welcome to Day 0 and this is Day 46.
Oops, teka lang, day 45 pa lang.
So, kita nyo guys, basta pa ako, kaliligo ka lang kasi may tao dito, minamadali ako. Magbabasketball kami. Wala actually guys, to be honest with you, wala pa akong tulog. It's like, ano ba? Nagising ako ng 5 p.m. and mag-5 p.m. na. And it's 5 p.m. kahapon. So 24 hours na akong gising at hindi pa ako nakatulog simula ngayon. And magbabasketball ako. So may kasama ako. I would like to introduce friends in the world. Si Hap-Hap. Oh,
Guys.
Ba't ka nagbibideo?
Zero.
Nagbibideo ka din. After nito, actually, gagawin ko is magbabasketball. After ko magbasketball, I will try to sleep. Kung magising man ako ng 12 a.m. or 1 a.m., doon ako mag-gym. So, bali, kung magising ako ng ganong oras, 2 beses ako mag-gym. I will work out at 1 a.m. or something if I ever wake up at that time. Then I will gym at night. So, yun lang guys. Samahan niyo ako mag-basketball. Let's go!
Yun, blood takeover.
Nasa mo boses mo, hindi ka ba hihingi?
So, yun guys, ang nilakad ko is 6,455. So, kita nyo naman na nag-basketball ako. Pasensya na dito na yung last voice over ko kasi piling ko hindi naman kailangan ng voice over sa ganun. But yun guys, thank you. And pasensya na for the late upload. So please like, comment, and share and follow for more.